For times when you want to work with complete peace of mind, the background sounds come in super handy. Thankfully, Apple offers a handful of well thought out background sounds like rain, dark noise, ocean, and more. And if you're fond of this feature, chances are you'll like to create a vocal shortcut for it. This will let you quickly enable and use the background sound on your iOS device. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now scroll down and choose Accessibility. Then head over to the Speech section and then select Vocal Shortcuts to proceed. Then tap on Add Action button or tap on the Setup Visual Shortcuts and then hit Continue. Under the Accessibility section, choose Background Sounds. Then enter the custom phrase through which you want to trigger the background sounds on your iPhone, for instance, sounds. After that, you have to verify the custom phrase by speaking it 3 times, and that's all there is to it. Going forward, you'll be able to quickly enable background sounds using this very vocal shortcut on your iPhone. Just like this, super handy, isn't it? Now that you have unlocked this hidden gem, make the most of it as and when you want to work or relax with complete peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.